You are most welcome in one and another special episode of One Word Substitution, that is also called OWS. These are the one word substitutions which are earlier been asked in staff selection commissions exams. So this is important for our students also who are preparing for the examination of staff selection commission. First one word substitution is estimation of a thing's worth. First one word substitution is estimation of a thing's worth. That is called appraisal. APPRAISAL, appraisal. appraisal is a noun और हिंदी में इसका अर्थ होता है मूल्यांकन. टू राइज इन वैल्यू, टू राइज इन वैल्यू, दिस इज कॉल्ड appreciate. APPRECIATE, appreciate. दिस इज ए वर्ब एंड इसका अर्थ होता है मूल्य बढ़ाना. A person who works for an expert to learn a trade. A person who works for an expert to learn a trade. This is called apprentice. APPRENTICE, apprentice. This is noun and इसका हिंदी में अर्थ होता है शिक्षार्थी. Being afraid of water or being near water. This is called aquaphobia. 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 This is a noun और इसको हिंदी में कहा जाता है जल का भय. A glass tank where fish and water plants are kept. A glass tank where fish and water plants are kept. These are called aquarium. 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 हिंदी में इसका अर्थ होता है मछली घर. Animals and plants growing or living in or near water. Animals or plant growing or living in or near water. This is called aquatic. 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 जलीय. Suitable for growing crops. Suitable for growing crops. Arable. 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 This is an adjective. कृषि योग्य. Based on chance rather than on reason or a plan. Based on chance rather than on a reason or plan. This is called arbitrary. 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 This is an adjective. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ होता है मनमाना. A person who is chosen to settle a disagreement. A person appointed by two parties to resolve a dispute. They are called arbitrator. They are called arbitrator. 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 This is a noun. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ होता है पंच. One who studies human antiquities. One who studies human antiquities. This is called archaeologist. 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 This is a noun and हिंदी में इसका अर्थ होता है पुरातत्व विज्ञानी. The study of human history and prehistory through the excavation of sites. The study of human history and prehistory through the excavation sites. This is called archaeology. This is called archaeology. ARCHAEOLOGY. आर्कियोलॉजी. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ होता है पुरातत्व. पुरातत्व. ए लार्ज बॉडी ऑफ वाटर विथ मैनी आइलैंड्स. ए लार्ज बॉडी ऑफ वाटर विथ मैनी आइलैंड्स. दिस इज कॉल्ड आर्कीपेलेगो. आर्कीपेलेगो. ARCHIPELAGO. आर्कीपेलेगो. द्वीप समूह. ए लार्ज बॉडी ऑफ वाटर विथ मैनी आइलैंड्स. दिस इज कॉल्ड आर्कीपेलेगो. ARCHIPELAGO. द्वीप समूह. if the place where public government or historical records are kept, if the place where public government or historical records are kept, this is called archives. This is called archives. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ होता है अभिलेखागार. अभिलेखागार, a place where fights take place, a place or sense of activity, debate or conflict. This is called arena. ARENA, arena. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे कहा जाता है अखाड़ा. A government by the nobles, a government by the nobles, government by person of highest social order. This is called aristocracy. This is called aristocracy. ARISTOCRACY, aristocracy. This is noun. श्रेष्ठ जनों के द्वारा. A military structure where arms and ammunitions and other military equipments are stored and training is given in the use of arms. A military structure where arms and ammunitions and other military equipments are stored and training is given in the use of arms. This is called arsenal. Arsenal. ARSENAL, arsenal. This is a noun. हिंदी में अर्थ इसको कहते हैं शस्त्रागार. Intentionally starting a fire to damage something. Intentionally starting a fire to damage something. This is called arson. Arson, ARSON, arson. This is a noun. इसे हिंदी में कहा जाता है आग लगना. A criminal who illegally sets fire to property. A criminal who illegally sets fire to property. This is called arsonist. Arsonist, 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 आगजनी करने वाला. Fear of fire. Fear of fire. Arsonphobia. Arsonphobia, ARSONPHOBIA, arsonphobia. This is noun. आग से डर. Good at expressing ideas. Good at expressing ideas. Feelings clearly in words. Feelings clearly in words. This is called articulate. Articulate, ARTICULATE, articulate. This is an adjective. हिंदी में अर्थ होता है संपुष्ट. One who practice one of the fine arts. One who practice one of the fine arts. This is called an artist. This is called an artist. ARTIST, artist. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे कहा जाता है कलाकार. One who denies oneself ordinary bodily pleasures. One who denies oneself ordinary bodily pleasures. This is called ascetic. Ascetic. This is a noun. हिंदी में अर्थ होता है तपस्वी. Regarding something or being due to a cause. Regard something as being due to a cause. This is called ascribe. This is called ascribe. ASCRIB, ascribe. This is a verb. हिंदी में इसे कहा जाता है श्रेय देना. Nations that do not trust each other. Nations that do not trust each other look upon each other. This is called askance. Askance, संदेह करना. This is all about today's one word substitution. Thanks, regards.